All right, I got that first tire off of this rim. You can see we got a pretty significant wow right there. A little bit of metal peeled off. Yeah. Well, we'll do it this way. Lots and lots of rust. Nice. Yeah, 07 or 8-inch rust through. Yes. Yes, nasty. Rim damage. I think it's fine. I think this rim. Yeah, that's just fine. We'll fix it. We'll get it back in production, in operation. It'll be good as new. All right, YouTube, I got a question for you. By all that is holy and good, how does this happen, right? How do you just shred a rim like this on a tractor? This is incredible. Wow. Look at that. Oh, there's a good spot right there. Okay, we're good there. Ooh, look at that, another good spot. If you've ever seen anything like that, let me know. I want to know how that happened. If you've ever seen anything that bad, anything like that, let me know. I want to know how that kind of stuff happens, because that's awesome. That's incredible. I think I can fix it. All right, I think we got this set up. I got this cut out. I've got some pieces cut to go into the worst of the offenders. So what I'll do is I'll tack one end, and then I'll work it along, making sure that I get my my height right, and any gaps. It's just mild steel. I can bend that all I need to. You'll notice I've got my battery, my jumper cables out, because I parked about 7 foot too far away from my welding outlet. But I've got this one short section here, what, 14 inches or so. I've got a long section. That's a good couple of feet. And I'm going to weld this with the good old 6011 3/32. I'm going with the thinner 6011 so I can manage the heat a little bit better. Guys, something like this you can't weld with anything but 6011. There's other rods that are better, but you just can't do other than 6011. It's the farmer's rod. It has to be on this tractor. So now, to make sure I get something I can actually mount a tire to, I ground out a quick gauge, right? First gauge will be for height. I'll weld this on and I'll check and make sure that my height, you can see I'm touching there and I'm tucked up right there in the corner. That's my height, just right there. Okay, then my next one will be my width. Once again, I know that it'll barely fit for width. So that's my goal. So I got height and width. I'll probably, if I weld it proud, I grind it down. I know it's going to be proud over here. It's going to be sticking out over here too far. And that's just the nature of it, right? I'm going to have to grind it regardless. So I've either got to grind it on the hub or I've got to grind it off the hub. And it makes no difference to me. That's my setup. We're going to give it a shot. Well, guys, look at that. That's brand new. I mean, well, at least factory refurbished. That 20 minutes of painstaking prep don't look at that. That I performed is just, you can just tell. So, hold on a second. Nope, not quite. Hey, almost. There we go. Brand new. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Alright, I've got it marked. What I'm going to cut out to start with, just using a thin cutoff wheel on the grinder. Good time. hope you guys enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them. Now, to be honest with you, moving forward, I don't know if I would have actually gone through the work to rehab these rims. I'm glad I did. I'm not going to recommend that anybody else ever does this. New ones aren't that expensive, but it's such a cool learning experience that I enjoy doing this. I enjoy practicing my skills and working on my welding. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll talk to y'all later.